Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy A54 5G, a mid-range smartphone that sits below the Galaxy S23 series but packs several features typically reserved for more expensive phones. Despite its starting price of $449.99, the device boasts a large and speedy screen, quick charging, and the ability to receive up to 4 generations of operating system upgrades and 5 years of security updates. While these features are usually exclusive to the pricier $799 Galaxy S23, the Galaxy A54 is a much more affordable alternative. The Galaxy A54 5G's display is its most impressive attribute, featuring a 6.4-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This is a noteworthy feature since mid-range smartphones typically have displays with 60 or 90 Hz refresh rates. However, Samsung introduced a 120Hz screen on last year's Galaxy A53, and it seems to have carried over to this device as well. The higher refresh rate translates to a smoother user experience. Moreover, the A54's screen brightness is outstanding, producing 1000 nits, which is even brighter than its predecessor. This allows for clear visibility even in bright sunlight when used outdoors. The Galaxy A54 5G boasts a 50-megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, optical image stabilization, and video digital image stabilization. It's worth noting that this is a reduction in resolution compared to the 64-megapixel camera found on the A53. The phone also comes equipped with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera for taking detailed close-up shots. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera, which appears to be the same as the one found on the A53. Additionally, Samsung has highlighted the device's nightography and night mode features, along with its advanced editing tools found within the Samsung Gallery app. The Galaxy A54 relies on the octa-core Samsung Exynos 1380 processor and will have 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable to 1 TB with a microSD card. We'll have to sit down with the phone to get a real feel for the performance, but based on the general specs, it should be decent for a mid-range device. The phone ships with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25-watt wired charging. That's not the fastest charging speed, but it's good enough for a phone at this price point. The chassis is rated IP67 for protection against dust and water, which means it can handle a 30-minute bath in up to 1 meter of water. Android 13 is installed out of the box, and Samsung is bringing its fantastic upgrade policy to the phone. That means you get 4 generations of OS upgrades to Android 17 and 5 years of security updates, which vastly exceeds what most other companies offer on their mid-range phones. The phone ships with One UI 5.1, which is the latest version of Samsung's Android skin. It includes the security and privacy dashboard, as well as updated Samsung Knox security for data. The phone will be available for pre-order starting March 30, with general availability on April 6 at Samsung.com, the Samsung Experience Store, AT&T, T-Mobile, UScellular, Verizon, and other major retailers. It comes in 2 colors, Awesome Violet and Awesome Graphite. Samsung will provide discounts of up to $250 with select trade-ins, as well as offer the Galaxy Buds for $49.99. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.